Hello, we're back. PatchOneStripe.com TV repair parts. Be sure to visit our site for your TV repair parts needs. We have LED strips, we have boards, cables, TV stands, we have remotes. We also have a large selection of plasma TV parts. Hard to find TV parts. Also, if you don't see what you need on the site, hit the contact button and give us a description of what you need, the model number, part number if possible, and I'll be sure to list it. I have a lot of parts that haven't been listed yet. Also, show me some love, hit that thumbs up button, and also that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. This video today, we are going to troubleshoot a 55-inch LG TV. The symptoms that we have is no audio, no video. The TV on indicator works normal, red when the TV is off, blue when you depress the button to turn the TV on. You get that pulsating blue till you get the solid blue, but still no audio, no video. Okay, you got it? Alright, I'm ready to fix this TV, and I know you're ready to fix yours. So let's get on to the video. Okay, let's get started on troubleshooting this particular TV. The way we're gonna approach troubleshooting this particular LG TV is that we're gonna start by going to this chart on the power supply board that give me the voltage pin out for lead connector P201, which will be this particular lead connector. And as you can see, it goes into the main board. Now, what I should be seeing right now on pin 3, on pin 5, and pin 6 is the standby voltage only. And I'm going to go to pin 5 and 6, and right now the TV is just in an off position, but power has been applied to it. We're going to go to 1, 2, 3, 4. Pin number 5, we're getting 3.5 volts. Pin number 6, and we're getting 3.5 volts. Now right now, that's all we should see on this unit until the power is turned on. The power button is pushed on. Okay? But this particular unit, we got some different things going on. Now with the power button hasn't been pushed yet, the TV should be off, and I notice when I go to the other pins on this connector, this particular pin number 1 is my power on pin, and I should be getting 24 volts. I'm getting 3.5. Pin number 2, I should be getting 24 volts. And wow, I got 24 volts there. Okay, let's go up to pin 9, 10, and 11. This is 9. I'm getting 12 volts. That's correct. I'm getting 12 volts from pin 10. And I'm getting 12 volts from pin 11. Sounds good? No. It's all wrong. the power button hasn't been pressed to turn on the set. So I shouldn't be getting no voltages from the power supply. But something in this main board is telling this power supply to switch on, which is all wrong. Now, I've made a couple of checks before I got into making this video on this particular unit where everything has been functioning like it should. But apparently this board is deteriorating very fast. Because right now, like I said, the power supply, the main board is telling the power supply to turn on with the TV in the off position. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to put the TV in the on position. Okay, now the TV is in the on position. Watch this. Pin 1, 3.4 volts. Now what's wrong with this is this should be 24 volts. Especially going by the chart here, for the power on, pin number 1 should be 24 volts. Well, I'm missing that. Okay, I have 24 volts here on pin 2, which that's correct. Let's go up here to 11, 12 volts, 10, 12 volts, pin 9, 12 volts. Okay, all of that is correct. So apparently what's going on is that something major is going on with this board, and this appears to be the problem. Now, my customer informed me when he dropped off the TV that the TV went out during a storm. So I'm going to assume that this unit had a voltage surge that came in through the coaxial connector here, whether he had satellite or cable or outside antenna, and damaged this board. Now, one other thing I'm going to do to verify that this board is the problem, I'm going to come up here to the T-con board. And with this unit being on, 12 volts come from this main board across this particular fuse on the T-con board. And right now, I have 0.29 volts. I don't even have a volt on both ends of this fuse. So that's letting me know this fuse is good, but I'm not getting my power source from my power supply from this main board, in which this main board supplies the power to this T-con board for it to work. So with the voltage on this connector never cutting off, and I'm missing my power on voltage at pin 1, which is 24 volts. That's telling me one thing. And with the TV in the on mode, I'm not getting my voltage to the T-con board across this fuse as well. So this would be a definite main board issue here, and we're going to replace this board, and that's going to solve this particular problem. But I want to go back and emphasize on this particular chart that's labeled on these LG boards and even on your Samsung boards. This is very important. This lets you know that I do have standby voltage, which the standby voltage is supplied from this power supply board. So if it's missing, you got a power supply problem. And once you turn on the unit, and that comes back from the keypad to the main board back to the power supply and say turn on, and then I should get all these other 12 volts and 24 volt power sources, which is supplied from this board. And to verify that to you, watch this. There go my 24 volts. It's being outputted. There go my 12 volts. It's coming from this transistor or voltage regulator. There go my other 12 volt source. There go a 56 volt source. And that's a 56 volt source. Both of those are going to out to the LED strips behind this aluminum panel here, or back plane. So I do have my 24 volt source for power on, which is going out at pin 2 and apparently coming back through the set and coming back on power on, but I'm only getting 3.41 volts. Okay, so that's going to conclude this video. I hope this helps somebody out there repair a TV. Let's try to keep these units out of the landfill. All around the world, everybody is repairing everything, and I hear so much over here in the States where people are saying everything is throwaway. Oh, the TVs are throwaway. They throw away. No, they're not throwaway. A good technician can repair anything. So don't fall for that myth. Okay? Just got to dig in and make it happen. Visit our site at patchonestripe.com. TV repair parts for a large selection of TV parts, and patchonestripe.com. We out.